Planning a trip to Rome and not sure what to pack? Well, you've come to the right place. This video will guide you through the essentials, from clothing to health and safety items, and even the all-important travel documents. We'll also touch on how to respect local customs, especially at religious sites. After all, a well-prepared traveler is a happy traveler. And what's a trip to Rome without a bit of happiness? So buckle up as we dive into the essentials for your Roman holiday. First things first, understanding Rome's Mediterranean climate is key to packing right. Rome's weather is a tale of two seasons. Summers are typically hot, with temperatures often soaring to the upper 30s Celsius, while winters are mild and quite rainy. During the summer months, the city can feel like a giant oven, making lightweight and breathable clothing your best ally. Think linen, cotton, and other natural fabrics that allow your skin to breathe in the sizzling Mediterranean sun. When winter rolls around, Rome transforms into a city of umbrellas and overcoats. But don't be fooled by the term winter. The temperature rarely dips below 10 degrees Celsius, so a heavy winter coat might be overkill. Instead, opt for layers. A light coat or a sweater with a waterproof jacket on top should do the trick. With the climate in mind, you can now start selecting the right clothing. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. And that includes dressing appropriately. Rome's picturesque cobblestone streets are charming, but can be challenging to navigate. Comfortable, sturdy walking shoes are a must-have for your packing list. Opt for those that provide good grip and support to take on the city's uneven paths. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your exploration of this incredible city. So, comfort is key. But let's not forget about the Mediterranean sun. Even in its gentler months, Rome can get pretty warm. Lightweight, breathable fabrics are your best friends here. Think cottons and linens in light colors that reflect, rather than absorb, the sun's rays. And while Rome is a modern city, it's also an ancient one with many open spaces, so don't forget to pack a hat for some added sun protection. When the sun sets, Rome's vibrant nightlife comes alive. This is your chance to swap your daytime comfort for some evening elegance. Remember, Romans are known for their style. A nice dress, a stylish shirt, or a smart pair of trousers would fit right in at Rome's myriad of restaurants, bars, and nightclubs. And don't worry, you can still keep it comfortable with a pair of stylish yet sensible shoes. However, amidst all the fun and fashion, let's not forget respect. Rome is a city steeped in religious history and tradition. When planning a visit to any of Rome's religious sites, including the world-renowned Vatican City, modest attire is required. Shoulders and knees should be covered, so pack a shawl or a light cardigan, even in the warmer months. Packing for Rome is all about blending practicality with style. It's about being prepared for a day of sightseeing under the sun, and a night of laughter and music under the stars. It's about respect for the city's rich history and the traditions that are still very much a part of Roman life today. Remember, comfort during the day and style for the evening is the Roman way. Aside from clothing, there are several other essential items and documents you should never forget. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of these essentials. First and foremost, travel documents. Your passport is your ticket to the world, so always ensure it's valid and up to date. If you're not an EU citizen, you'll likely need a visa for Italy. Check your country's consular services for specifics. Travel insurance is another document you shouldn't overlook. It may seem like an unnecessary expense, but trust me, it's a safety net you'll be grateful for if you ever need it. Now, let's talk health and safety. Rome's Mediterranean climate means plenty of sunshine. While this makes for beautiful travel photos, it also means you're at risk of sunburn. So pack a high-quality sunscreen with a high SPF. Don't underestimate the power of the Italian sun. A hat is also a smart addition to your packing list. Not only will it provide extra sun protection, but it's also a stylish accessory for your Roman holiday. Opt for a wide-brimmed hat for maximum coverage. Next up, a basic first aid kit. It doesn't have to be extensive, but it should include essentials like Band-Aids, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you might need. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Last but not least, hydration is key, especially when you're exploring Rome on foot. Bottled water can be expensive and it's not eco-friendly, so bring a reusable water bottle. You'll find plenty of public water fountains around Rome where you can refill for free. These items may seem small and insignificant, but they can make a world of difference to your comfort and safety during your trip. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. So take your time, prepare well, and make sure you have everything you need before you set off on your epic adventure. Preparedness is key. Never leave home without these essential items and documents. Rome is a city steeped in history and tradition. Respecting local customs is a must. This ancient city is home to deeply rooted traditions and practices, many of which are tied to the city's rich religious heritage. When visiting religious sites such as the Vatican or any of Rome's numerous beautiful churches, modesty in dress is crucial. For both men and women, shoulders and knees should be covered. A lightweight scarf or wrap is a versatile piece that can come in handy for such occasions. The locals in Rome are known for their warm hospitality, but they also appreciate when visitors make an effort to observe their customs. A simple grazie, which means thank you, or per favore, meaning please, can go a long way. Learning a few basic phrases in Italian not only shows respect, but also enhances your travel experience by allowing you to connect with locals on a deeper level. Another significant aspect of Roman culture is their dining etiquette. If you're invited to an Italian home, it's customary to bring a small gift, such as flowers or a bottle of wine. At restaurants, remember, Italians typically enjoy their meals at a leisurely pace, so avoid rushing. Respecting local customs not only enriches your travel experience, but also shows your appreciation for Rome's rich culture. So when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Now that you're all packed and ready, let's talk about how to make the most of your trip. Rome is a city steeped in history and culture, and it's waiting for you to dive in. Start with its iconic historical sites, the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, the Vatican City. These are must-visits, but remember there's more to Rome than its postcard-perfect landmarks. Venture off the beaten path. Explore the cobblestone alleyways, pop into a local trattoria, enjoy a gelato by the Tiber River. Rome's charm lies in these everyday moments. Don't shy away from the local cuisine. It's more than just pizza and pasta, though those are delicious too. Try supply, a Roman street food staple, or carciofi alla romana, an artichoke dish that's been loved by Romans for centuries. And of course, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. End your meal with a shot of espresso. Interacting with locals is another way to immerse yourself in Rome's culture. Italians are known for their hospitality and warmth. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation. A simple buongiorno or buonasera can go a long way. You'll be surprised by how much you can learn from these exchanges. Navigating Rome can be a challenge, but a reliable guidebook or travel app can make it much easier. These resources not only help you find your way around the city, but also uncover hidden gems you might have otherwise missed. Whether it's a lesser-known museum, a charming piazza, or a vintage boutique, these discoveries can add a unique touch to your Roman adventure. Safety should always be a priority. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded places. And remember to stay hydrated, especially during the hot summer months. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Does anyone know how many days? Please enjoy every moment of your Roman holiday. Rome is a living museum, and each corner has a story to tell. Soak it all in, and let the eternal city leave an indelible mark on your travel journey. If you found these tips helpful and are excited to make your own memories in Rome, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your likes not only show your support, but they also help other travelers find this essential guide. Remember, the Eternal City is waiting for you to explore its rich history, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine. So pack your bags, secure your tickets, and get ready for an unforgettable Roman holiday. If you want more travel tips and advice for your future adventures, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for @SafeTravels911. We're here to ensure you have a safe, memorable, and fulfilling travel experience. Stay tuned and stay safe as we bring you more guides to explore the world's most incredible destinations. See you in our next video.